In this video, I'll tell you which console you should buy for GTA VI and whether PlayStation 5 or Xbox is the better choice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. If you want to play GTA VI on release day, you will need a console because the game launches on November 19, 2026 for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S, while a PC version has not been announced for launch. The standard PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X offer fairly similar power, so the small technical differences probably will not matter that much for most players, especially since Rockstar is usually good at optimizing its games for consoles. One of the biggest differences is the controller. The PS5 DualSense includes haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, which could make shooting, driving, and other gameplay actions feel more immersive. The Xbox controller keeps a more traditional design and uses AA batteries, so you can quickly replace them and keep playing instead of waiting for an internal battery to charge. Its analog sticks are also positioned differently, with the left stick placed higher instead of both sticks sitting next to each other. I used PlayStation controllers for over a decade, but I have been playing with Xbox controllers for the last 5 years, and honestly, I prefer the Xbox layout. It simply feels better to me. Xbox can also make more sense if you already use Game Pass, since the subscription gives you access to a large library of other games and adds more value when you are not buying the console only for GTA VI. When it comes to performance, there is still no officially confirmed frame rate for GTA VI, so any talk about a 60 FPS mode is only a prediction for now. The standard PS5 and Xbox Series X may offer similar results, while the PS5 Pro has a more powerful GPU, improved ray tracing, and PSS are upscaling. This could mean a higher resolution, sharper textures, and more stable performance, but its CPU upgrade is much smaller, so you should not expect a guaranteed massive frame rate difference until Rockstar reveals the actual graphics modes. Xbox Series S should be the cheapest supported way to play GTA VI at launch, but you should expect lower resolution and reduced graphical settings compared with the stronger consoles. So, if you only want to play GTA VI and do not really care about getting the best graphics, just get the Xbox Series S. If you want a stronger console for more games, choose between the standard PS5 and Series X based on the controller and services you prefer. For the best possible visual experience, PS5 Pro is the premium option, but it is worth waiting for official GTA VI performance details before buying it only for this one game. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.